Maligayang Pasko at maligayang pagbati po sa inyong kaarawan, Tito Larry. Ngayong natatapos ang taon, nagpapasimula naman po ang inyong bagong buhay. Kahit po ako'y malapit, pero bihira tayong magkita, ang akin lamang pong maisisigurado at maipapangako ay kayo palaging laman ng aming mga panalangin, at sa araw po na inyong kaarawan, makakaasa kayong ipagmimisa ko po kayo. Ang aming pong hiling, sana ipagkalooban pa kayo ng Panginoon na mas mahabang buhay, magandang kalusugan upang siya ay mas mapaglingkuran at ang inyong pamilya at ang ating lipunan. Manigong bagong taon at mapayapang bagong taon po sa ating lahat. God bless us, at saka po I hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Sir Larry! We love you!
God bless you.
Hi Larry! Happy 73rd birthday! Maraming salamat sa mahaba at masayang samahan na ibinigay niyo sa amin nila Dot, kasama ng mga bata, si Celine, si Toto, si Pia at si Tata. Naway patuloy kang pagkalooban ng malusog na pangangatawan nang kayo ay laging masaya magkasama-sama ng mga mahal mo sa buhay.
Sana'y makasaya ka ding makapag-celebrate ng iyong karawan kasama ng iyong mga anak na si Toto, si Tata, si Silen at Pia, ang manugang mo si Kati at ang iyong apong si Batsikoy. Ingat palagi and God bless.
Happy 73rd birthday po, Tito Larry. Thank you po for looking out for us after all these years. Sana po ay patuloy na maging maayos ang inyong health para mas makapag-banding pa po ulit tayo. Bye po. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tito Larry. More birthdays to come. Ingat kayo and kita-kits pag nagkaroon ng oras. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tito. Kumusta po? Happy birthday. I wish you nothing but the best and long life. Enjoy your day po. Ingat.
Hello po, Tito Larry. Happy 73rd birthday po. May our good God and Mama Mary bless you abundantly on this special day at sa mga sunod-sunod pang mga taon ng inyong buhay. Have a blessed Christmas and New Year to all. Loving regards po sa lahat.
Hi po, Tito Larry! First of all po, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to the whole family. And of course, we'd like to greet you a very happy birthday! Ingat po, God bless!
Hi po, Tito Larry! Andito po kami. Siyempre po, masaya po kami para sa inyo. Alam niyo po, talagang kayo po isa sa mga tao na nakatouch po sa amin. Lalo't higit po nung mga panahon na kami po ay kasali pa po na at active pa po kami sa BCBP. At alam po namin, Tito Larry, na marami na rin po kayong mga napagdaanan. Pero syempre po, ganun pa man, nakikita pa rin namin sa inyo napaka-strong na faith nyo kay God. Kaya po, Tito Larry, sa special na araw na ito, kami pong lahat ay bumabati sa inyo ng Happy Birthday, Tito Larry!
Message for you on your birthday. I pray that God adds many more years of happiness and good health to your life. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is life to celebrate. Happy birthday, Paring Larry. Have a blessed day.
Sir Larry, Arvin here, your foster son. Bago kita batiin, Sir Larry, nagpapasalamat po ako sa generosity ng iyong family. Kayong dalawa ni Ma'am Dot. At nakakalungkot, wala na si Ma'am Dot, pero na kay Lord na siya nga. Alam natin na kay Lord na siya. Pero bagamat ganon, binabati pa rin kita ng maligayang bati. Happy birthday sa iyo, sir. May God bless you more and give you good health and more life to your years and more years to your life. I love you, Sir Larry.
Happy birthday, Sir Larry. This is your brother John Escoto, Alam po ninyo, iimbitahin ko sana ang sarili ko sa birthday ninyo. But we're here now in Tokyo. I'm with my family at Disney Sea. But we prayed for you. And this is what I believe. Your best days are still ahead of you. Your best years are still ahead of you. And the best is yet to come. So may you have a beautiful celebration with the people you love. God bless you, sir. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Hello po. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and long life.
Happy birthday, Papa Larry! We love you!
From Team
Echeverria!
Hello, Papa Larry. How are you? I hope you are doing very well and great today. May nabalitaan ako that you are celebrating a very big moment in your life today. So therefore, may I greet you from the bottom of my heart and from the family of Echeverria, our beloved foster father. I wish you a happy, happy birthday. Besides the blessings that is given to you this Christmas, sana maligaya ang araw ng iyong kaarawan, and may you continue to have more blessings in life, Papa Larry. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas. Advance Happy New Year to you. Cheers. Enjoy your day. Alright, Papa Larry, how are you? Greetings from 40,000 feet above, flying with one of your favorite captains at Alex.
Tito Lars, God bless. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas.
Ayos ba, Papa Larry? See you later. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa!
And thank you for welcoming us to your family. And we are very grateful for your love and warmth.
And we are praying, Pa, that our good Lord will continue to bless you with strength and good health, and may His grace be with you always.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lolo Papa! We love you!
Happy birthday, Lolo! Always stay healthy. Be safe. We'll visit you next time. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Larry. Wishing you a fruitful and blissful happy birthday. Enjoy your day with your loved ones. Hi, I'm your beautiful sister-in-law.
Hi, Larry. You might be surprised to be receiving this message of Christmas joy and Thanksgiving and happy birthday. Me too, and Jesus. You might recognize some of the characters of the cast here.
Hi!
And that would explain my new Crocs with fashionable accessories. I hope you get some as well. 73 years, it's a long time. And you forget how many happy birthdays we've had. I've had one or two more than you. But nonetheless, I wish you well of them, and you can see you've all enjoyed Christmas Day and had a happy time, which is what families are supposed to be about. So we wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have many more blessings to come. Sana matupad pa ang mga pangarap mo and all the things that you deserve. God be with you.
Happy birthday, Papa. On your special day, I wish that you have many more beautiful years of great health, joy, peace, hope, and love. Thank you so much for being such a loving father, so supportive, and for being here for all of us, for your sacrifices, for your unconditional love, and for basically everything. I know that you have a long way to go, and we are hoping that you have more years with us to enjoy and to just live your life to the fullest. I appreciate everything that you've been doing for us, and I'm hoping that you stay happy and healthy. Bye!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Lair!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Wawa! Stay healthy always, and huwag masyado matigas ang ulo, and always drink your medicines because marami pa tayong years na kasama ka namin at mapapanood pa si Pio na maging basketball player sa Lasal. Okay? So, have a happy birthday, and we wish and pray for more years and happy relationship in our family. So, we love you, Papa.
We love you. Happy birthday.
We love you, Wawa. Say mo. Bye-bye.
Hello, Wawa. I love you. You are Wawa Francisco. I love you. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday.